Hello everyone, welcome to LBB's English class. My name is Labib and I am your English teacher. So today, in the first lesson, we are going to learn about exclamation. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is exclamation, when to use it, and also how to make a sentence using exclamation. Jadi, persiapkan buku dan alat tulis kalian, dan kita mulai pelajarannya. Apa sih exclamation itu? Exclamation adalah kalimat seru yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan perasaan kita terhadap sesuatu secara spontan. Seperti perasaan bahagia, kecewa, bingung, terkejut, dan lain-lain. For example, I sometimes have a difficulty solving a formula on Excel. It's the if formula. It makes me confused. So, to express my feelings that the if formula is confusing, I say, how confusing the if formula is. How confusing the if formula is. Another example, when you eat the food cooked by your mother and it is so delicious, you say, what delicious food mother cooks. What delicious food mother cooks. We also use the exclamation to replace the affirmative sentences that we have accustomed to using. So, instead of saying the if formula is confusing, we can say how confusing the if formula is. How confusing the if formula is. Instead of saying mother cooks delicious food, we can say what delicious food mother cooks. What delicious food mother cooks. Take a note that the exclamation is always ended with an exclamation mark. So here are the examples on the exclamation using how. Number 1, the students are diligent. The students are diligent. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan how. Letakkan how di depan, kemudian tentukan adjektif atau adverb dari kalimat tersebut. Karena di kalimat tersebut ada adjektif yaitu diligent, maka letakkan diligent sesudah how. Kemudian tentukan subject. Subject in the affirmative sentences is placed in front of to be or verb. So, the subject is the students. Kemudian masukkan sisa kalimat. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi how diligent the students are. How diligent the students are. Contoh kedua, the boy is lazy. The boy is lazy. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan how. Letakkan how di depan. Kemudian tentukan adjektif atau adverb dari kalimat tersebut. Karena di kalimat tersebut ada lazy yang merupakan adjektif, maka letakkan lazy sesudah how. Kemudian tentukan subject, the boy, kemudian sisa kalimat. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi how lazy the boy is. How lazy the boy is. Di contoh 1 dan 2, saya sudah membuat kalimat exclamation yang diikuti oleh adjektif. Nah, di contoh kali ini, saya akan membuat kalimat exclamation yang diikuti oleh adverb. Tapi sebelumnya, apa sih adverb itu? Adverb adalah kata yang berfungsi untuk menerangkan kata kerja, verb, kata sifat adjektif, atau kata keterangan itu sendiri. Dalam bahasa Inggris ada 8 jenis adverb. Yang akan kita gunakan di exclamation ini adalah adverb of manner. Adverb of manner memberikan penjelasan tentang bagaimana atau dengan cara apa sesuatu kegiatan dilakukan. Contohnya, rudely, quickly, beautifully, and etc. So, here are the examples on the exclamation followed by an adverb. Number 1, the workers work neatly. The workers work neatly. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan how. Letakkan how di depan, kemudian tentukan adjektif atau adverb dari kalimat tersebut. Karena di kalimat tersebut ada adverb, yaitu neatly, maka letakkan neatly sesudah how. Kemudian tentukan subjek, the workers. Kemudian sisa kalimat, work. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi how neatly the workers work. How neatly the workers work. Number 2, he drives the car carefully. He drives the car carefully. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan how. Letakkan how di depan. Kemudian tentukan adjective atau adverb dari kalimat tersebut. Karena di kalimat tersebut ada adverb, yaitu carefully, maka letakkan carefully sesudah how. Kemudian tentukan subjek, he. Kemudian sisa kalimat, drives the car. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi how carefully he drives the car. How carefully he drives the car. So, I've prepared the exercise for you. I'll let you think the answer for 10 seconds. So, get ready. Let's start. Number 1. The white cat is fat. The white cat is fat. The answer is how fat the white cat is. How fat the white cat is. Number 2. The shoes are small. The shoes are small. The answer is how small the shoes are. How small the shoes are. Number 3. The dog greedily devoured the cake. The dog greedily devoured the cake. The answer is how greedily the dog devoured the cake. How greedily the dog devoured the cake. Number 4. You are selfish. You are selfish. The answer is how selfish you are. How selfish you are. Number 5. The police ran fastly. The police ran fastly. The answer is how fastly the police run. How fastly the police run. Okay, let's move to the second way how to make the exclamation. Cara kedua untuk membuat exclamation yaitu menggunakan what. Rumusnya what, kemudian diikuti noun atau kata benda, kemudian diikuti subjek, kemudian diikuti sisa kalimat. Take a note that the noun used in the exclamation is a noun followed by an adjective. For example, an interesting book, expensive houses, and important information. So, here are the examples on the exclamation using what? Number 1. He gets a hard job. He gets a hard job. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan what. Letakkan what di depan, kemudian tentukan noun yang diikuti oleh adjective dari kalimat tersebut. Kalimat tersebut, noun yang diikuti oleh adjective adalah a hard job. Maka letakkan a hard job setelah what. Kemudian tentukan subjek, of course, he. Kemudian sisa kalimat, gets. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi what a hard job he gets. What a hard job he gets. Another example, he always receives a strange message. He always receives a strange message. Untuk membuat kalimat tersebut menjadi kalimat exclamation, kita memerlukan what. Letakkan what di depan, kemudian tentukan noun yang diikuti oleh adjektif dari kalimat tersebut. Di kalimat tersebut, noun yang diikuti oleh adjektif adalah a strange message. Maka letakkan a strange message sesudah what. Kemudian tentukan subjek, he, kemudian sisa kalimat, always receives. Maka kalimat exclamation-nya menjadi what a strange message he always receives. What a strange message he always receives. So, I've prepared the exercise for you. As usual, I'll give you 10 seconds so that you can think for the answer. Okay, let's start. Number 1. It is an easy task. It is an easy task. The answer is what an easy task it is. What an easy task it is. Number 2. They stay in an expensive hotel. They stay in an expensive hotel. The answer is what an expensive hotel they stay in. What an expensive hotel they stay in. Number 3. The girl says rude words. The girl says rude words. The answer is what rude words the girl says. What rude words the girl says. Number 4. The reporter has important news. The reporter has important news. The answer is what important news the reporter has. What important news the reporter has. Number 5. She is a hardworking woman. She is a hardworking woman. The answer is what a hardworking woman she is. What a hardworking woman she is. Okay, that's for the exclamation. So today we have learned what is exclamation and also how to make a sentence using exclamation. From this video, you also have known what is adjective, adverb of manner, and also noun. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So, see you in next lesson in LBB's English class.